Nutrition is not one size fits all. Celebrate National Nutrition Month by personalizing your plate. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to spice up your food with new exciting flavors, like the ones in this Greek chicken and couscous salad. Personalizing your plate means finding flavors you love that help support balanced and healthy eating habits too. To find those new flavors, you'll have to broaden your horizons a bit. So today, let's try some classic Mediterranean flavors. I've got 2 cups of boiling water and I'm going to add 1 1/3 cups of couscous. Couscous is a light and tasty alternative to rice or noodles that's great as a side dish or as a main. Let that cook for 8 minutes and then drain and let it cool a bit. I'm going to use a kale blend salad mix. Kale is basically a nutrition superstar, full of vitamins, calcium, and potassium. Add on some tomatoes, cucumber, and Kalamata olives, all staples in Mediterranean cuisine. Here comes some of the couscous. And a little lean protein from some rotisserie chicken breast. Then for a little color, some red onion. Some fresh ground black pepper, and sprinkle on some feta cheese, which pairs perfectly with the dressing. Primal Kitchen Greek vinaigrette, using avocado oil for extra heart health. These are all really classic flavors that make a really gorgeous plate. Remember, you're more likely to maintain healthy eating habits if you personalize your plate with flavors you love. Visit Hy-Vee.com/health and connect virtually with your Hy-Vee dietitian to learn delicious ways to personalize your plate.